Feeling drained, foggy, and out of shape, it's not just aging. It could be the adverse effects of male andropause, and it could be robbing you of your energy, your muscle mass, and mental sharpness. But here's the good news. You don't have to accept it as your new normal. I've been where you are, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to take control of your body and mind. So let's get straight to the point. If you're in your 40s, you might be experiencing three main problems. An energy zap. And I'm not talking about feeling a little tired. I'm talking about you can't get stuff done. Or brain fog, like you're trying to keep it all together in your head and you're not just as sharp as you once were. And then a lot of extra around the midsection, like it's being slapped on like layers of clay, in spite of all your efforts you're putting in at the gym. And if you're like most men I work with, you've probably tried everything. Diets, exercise routines, even the miracle supplements, but nothing seems to work, right? You're stuck in this vicious cycle where you feel exhausted. Your mind is in a fog, and no matter how hard you try, the weight just keeps piling on. And trust me, I get it. I've been there too. As a former hockey player, I've always relied on my body to perform at peak levels. But after I hung up the skates, things changed. And outside of the injuries, I've endured my mental and physical challenges as well. I started feeling exactly what you might be feeling right now. Tired all the time, mentally checked out, and watching my physical performance decline. My health challenges still give me the ups and downs, but for me, it's knowing exactly what's going on in my body and having my own map to get me back to my best. The thing is, it's easy to reset your norms and accept what's happening. But I'm here to tell you, it's not just aging. The adverse effects of male andropause that destroy testosterone may present these ignorable challenges, but they're setting you up for a bumpy ride, and they're completely reversible. And here's where most people get it wrong. They think these symptoms are just a natural part of getting older. If I change my diet, this will go away. If I get back into the gym, I'm going to lose the weight. I found this miracle supplement from this social media ad, and it'll get the job done. And maybe your newfound strategy worked for a while, right? Dancing the jig, you get that boost in the right direction. Now, this is all great for supporting foundational health, like eating correctly, exercising, sleep hygiene, stress management. But the truth is, they're probably not addressing the root causes, especially your own unique set of root causes. So what are these root causes? Well, for most men, beyond hormonal fallout, which is just a consequence, it's an effect of a cause. Sustained inflammatory response is one. An accumulation of toxic buildup, nutrient deficiency, and your gut not digesting properly. These are the broad-based issues. And if you don't address these underlying causes, all the diets and workouts in the world, they won't help. That's why I turn to functional medicine. It's about looking for these problems. It's about addressing the causes. It's about treating the whole body, not just managing symptoms. And when I applied these principles to my own health, it was a game changer. I went from feeling drained and defeated to getting back my energy, my focus, and my strength. Now, let's get into what you can do today to start seeing real results. Here are 3 steps to reclaim your health, clear your brain fog, and lose that stubborn weight. Step 1, start tracking your symptoms. Again, put the minimizing aside. You don't have to share this with anyone, but put the minimizing aside and dig into how you're feeling, how you're functioning. Write down how you're feeling every day, your energy levels, your mood, your sleep, and your weight. Patterns will start to emerge and it'll give you valuable insights to what's really going on. In my functional health assessment, the subjective side hosts a body scan survey that prompts over 300 questions for your 15 body systems to find out what's really driving your symptoms. Step 2, get comprehensive blood work. Don't settle for a basic blood test. You need to dive deep into your biomarkers to identify problem areas that allow us to dig deeper. Don't just let your doctor read the lab at face value and say, hey, everything's fine, and then you're on your way. This is what functional blood chemistry analysis will help uncover, looking beyond lab ranges to turn possibilities into probabilities. If the engine warning light pops on, you just don't put a piece of tape over it, right? And step 3, I always talk about resetting the health foundations. This is rooted around eating right, which is a strategy for another session, but getting the foundational nutrients needed to at least power your body. Exercise. Exercise, when done correctly, acts as a eustress, a good stress for the body. And by the way, muscle mass is a top predictor for healthy aging. So the loss of muscle mass is a predictor for accelerated aging. And then getting proper sleep. Now, proper sleep hygiene is important for recovery and improvement and growth. And last but not least, reducing your stressors. And it goes without saying, identifying the stressors and taking action to reduce those, either physically or chemically or mentally. So, all these are necessary first steps, just like creating a solid foundation for building a house. But here's the thing, these steps are just the beginning. Real transformation comes when you dig deeper and address all the root causes with a personalized plan. I didn't always know this. In fact, my own health struggles, I spent years feeling stuck, much like you might be feeling right now. And I tried everything. And it wasn't until I discovered functional medicine that I finally found the real answers. I was able to restore my energy, which is absolutely the first thing that needs to happen. I continue to rebuild muscle and maintain my strength, and I keep my focus, all without the quick fixes or empty promises that never worked. And in this mode, I've converted my metabolism, the overall functional processes of my body, to continual improvement. It's like flipping a switch to do exactly what I want my body to do at any given time. So if you're serious about turning this around, here's your next step. For those of you who want more information about why your testosterone levels might be the issue, I've created a free guide called Unlock Your Midlife Edge. It breaks down exactly how low testosterone affects your body and what you can do to fix it fast. It also dives deeper into restoring health foundations. Not only that, but the information I provide along the way can be a game changer for the do-it-yourselfers out there. So click the link below and download your copy. But if you're ready to take real action now, let's go deeper. My initial functional health assessment is designed to identify the root causes of these adverse male andropause challenges and possible low testosterone. We'll get a comprehensive look into your symptom burden, your blood work, and overall health to create a customized plan just for you. This is where the real change begins, but it's also where the real fun begins as well. And now that you understand what's possible, why should we stop here? The next video series is going to dive into the hidden reasons behind your sluggish metabolism and how you can reset it for superior midlife health. So make sure to watch that. It's going to be packed with actionable tips to help you take back control of your body. But for now, dig into the information I've put together already. Grab a copy of my ebook, go through that information, and get on my email list. And then when you want to biohack yourself back into the best version of yourself, jump into your initial health strategy assessment. All right, that's it for this video. So take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next video. Talk soon.